Okay, so if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe, the bell button, the like button, so you won't miss out on any other videos. And if you are not new to my channel, welcome back, love bugs. This be the hardest part, picking the color. Hello. Yeah. Ooh. I should have got the other one. Oh, I think I like this blue. I think. I'm scared this ain't gonna be the blue I like. Okay, it's pretty though. Yeah, I hope this water is not too hot. They be trying to burn your feet off. It's a little hot. I think I'm gonna do this blue. It's alright.
I think you love blue.
Yeah, you know I love blue.
Orange is smack.
I don't know, but I'm wearing an orange.
Oh, okay.
And then I still want my big toe with glitter like that.
Okay. And you want no chip or regular?
Yeah, no chip.
Yeah.
Did you want your food now?
Yeah. I'm so glad it's not crowded in here. I was scared it was gonna be crowded. I just want to. I really only like when Lucian didn't do my toes, but he's busy right now. I swear, they better not mess my feet up. I'm gonna be so blue. Y'all, nah. People who really know me know I ain't been eating meat for 5 months. And I'm cheating this diet from Miami. And for me to just bite in this chicken and see some blood, I could just throw up right now. Like, bro.
If you got bro number from
Why am I even eating this stuff? They just blew me like. Ew. So I just left the nail shop and I'm kind of disappointed. My nail's cute or whatever. As y'all can see, I got my favorite color with some glitter. This is not initially how I wanted my nails. I wanted them, y'all know, like the red bottom nails, like when it's red right here and then whatever color on top. I wanted my nails like that. I wanted the blue at the bottom and then I wanted glitter on all my nails or whatever. And then this middle finger, I was going to get some little design with flames and some other stuff. But I just got so irritated to the point I just told her she could do this one blue and do the other one's glitter. She was saying something like I would have had to get my nails powdered first, blue, and then glitter on top, or some dumb stuff, and I would have had to use clear nails, all that other crap. And she was just irritating me, so I was just like, okay, I'll just do all glitter. And then I got my feet done too. Y'all see my feet? That's a terrible angle, but yeah, whatever, it's cool. It's still pretty, I guess. It's just not really what I wanted. Hey, this is a better angle so y'all can see it. This is a cute blue. It look a little different in the camera, but yeah, still cute. Hey y'all, so we back to this vlog. I'm running late to my wax appointment and I almost forgot to like continue vlogging, so I'm glad I just remembered. I really need to buy me a car stand so I don't have to be holding my phone. while I'm driving. But yeah, I'm finna go to my wax appointment, and then I have to go to the city. Look at the police. I hope the police don't see me speeding. That's just my engine, police. Don't pull me over. Okay, they still parked. But anyway, yeah, so I gotta go get my wax appointment. Then I gotta go to the city to get my lashes done by my sister-in-law. They looking a fool right now. She gonna treat me because I literally been like plucking them off, and I shouldn't have been doing that. But what else I gotta do after that? After that, I have to get my I gotta go to my little sister house. Y'all know that's the only person I let touch my hair. She gotta put me some little wig braids in my head. That's why my hair looking a mess right now. I just took my my old wig braids down, and I just threw a cap on. I look a fool, but this is what happens for self-care day. You look a fool at first, and then you know you be all put together. So yeah, I'm finna go get this wax appointment. I didn't even bring my tripod. Oh my god, I was really rushing. I should have woke up earlier. Somebody told me to wake up earlier, but I went to sleep kind of late. Was up watching movies and stuff. But yeah, shit, what else I got to say? That's about it. Oh, I just be feeling like this self-care couple of days before the trip, it be feeling so good, but you be spending more money than like the whole trip just to get ready for the trip. Literally, like on your hair, your nails, your wax, your lashes, your eyebrows, clothes for the trip, all type of stuff. But yeah, I don't even care because I'm finna have a ball. Like, I really been needing this vacation. Like, I don't think y'all understand. Like, I love Miami so bad. Like, I hate when people be like, Miami boring, Miami ghetto, Miami always got all the Chicago people in there, so why y'all want to go to Miami? Baby, because it's nice weather and you can walk around in your bikini, you can walk around half naked, not worrying about anything, not watching your back first, trying to see a motherfucker trying to fight you or shoot you or whatever the case may be. Like, you literally could relax in Miami and turn up and be drunk walking down the strip, jet ski, all that. Can you do that in Chicago without no worries? No. So I ain't complaining. I love Miami. This is my third time going for spring break. Since I'm gonna graduate, I'm gonna leave spring break alone for a good minute. I think I've been enough. I think I've been enough. But don't do what I do. Don't drive and record. Okay, you have to been driving for years to do this. I've been driving since I was like 13. So yeah, it's been a few years. But yeah, like I'm finna have a ball.
Nice and warm.
Yes, nice and warm.
You're gonna bring back the sunshine with you, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
Really over winter. I heard him say snow on the news this morning, but I didn't watch it. I'm like, no.
Oh goodness.
No, there's no more snow.
I hope not.
Yeah,
I thought it was gonna be nice out while I was gone, like nice in the cab. That's what I thought. That's what I seen. I don't know.
today's supposed to be nice this afternoon.
Yeah. So I'm back on the road. I just left my wax appointment. As y'all can see in the previous clip, my wax lady is so sweet. She's such a sweet white older lady. Like, I love her. But y'all, I had to shit that whole time I was getting the wax. I told y'all I've been cheating my diet or whatever, so that chicken was like going right through me. But I was cool. Like, it went back up. I know that's TMI, but it was crazy. Like, I had to text my ships like, y'all, oh my god. But I made it through the wax. It was cool. It was cool. Now I'm on my way to my lash appointment. I was almost running a little late. Well, I kind of am. We gonna see what time I get there. But I didn't know my wax was gonna take this long. My wax usually only take like 30 minutes, but today she took like 45 minutes. Like, come on now. I'm on a time schedule. But yeah, I should still make it there within a reasonable time. So when I make it there, I will see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So as y'all can see, I got my lashes done. I'm finna get my my wig braids done by my little sister, but she said don't put me in the camera because I look like a bum. But yeah, I ain't record myself getting my lashes done because I was already like 10 minutes late to my appointment, and yeah, I just really didn't have time to record myself. Plus, when I go get my lashes done, that's really like a self-care thing for real, because I be asleep the whole time she doing my lashes. So yeah, but yeah, y'all gonna see my wig braids in a minute. Oh my god, I needed these dark spots out of my face. Okay, so as y'all can see, I am back home or whatever from running my errands. Got the wig braids in. My little sister don't play, honey. The wig braids are like little stitch braids in a bun, period. So I'm back home, just ate. Ooh, my stomach hurt. I just ate some Popeye's chicken. But back home, finna finish packing my suitcase. It's for the most part it's packed. I'm just finna finish putting a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't put in there. I'm so like organized. I wrote like a whole list of everything I need to get and I need to pack so I won't forget anything, because I don't want to be like, as soon as I get to Miami, like, dang, I forgot this, you know, I should have packed this, should have packed that. So I just wrote me a list down. So yeah, I'm finna finish packing, and then I'm finna install this wig, and then I'ma chill, or I'ma start editing this video so it could be uploaded by the time I get to Miami. Maybe. I'm not making no promises. But yeah, I look like a little bald head crackhead. Yeah, so let me finish packing. I'm out of breath and fat. Gee, my head just I look ghetto. I hope this wig install nice. I'm gonna be blue. Y'all know I'm still practicing on myself. But yeah, I guess I'll see y'all after I install this wig. And and if y'all want to see like a haul, because I got most of my clothes from Shein, most of them. If y'all want to see a haul of everything that I brought to Miami, I could do a separate video on that. It'll most likely be when I come back from Miami though. I could do a video and upload everything that I wore down there and stuff like that. But yeah, just comment and let me know if y'all want that. Okay, so I'll see y'all after I install this wig.